this will be just probably the third time you can probably say with confidence that Super Heavy has gone through it, right? Flight 1 and Flight 2, those boosters exploded, whereas for Flight 3, Flight 4, and now Flight 5, that will be the third attempt to actually go through entry and hopefully being successful. So we don't know how much damage that produces on the engine section. We saw bits of like stuff coming out from the engine section when both 10 and 11 tried to land. 10 of course hit well, it actually exploded in the air before it hit in the ocean, and then booster 11 successfully touched down. But we don't know, right? Like, it landed on the ocean. If it lands on chopsticks, it's in the air and it develops a leak and it's only a fire, you could expect something like SE10, right? Hopefully it doesn't happen, but that's why I brought that up. I think the damage to the pad itself, as I was saying before, it probably will not be that big of a deal. It's coming in already slow by the time it approaches the chopsticks. If it's going fast, it's probably, like its impact point is probably still in the beach or something like that, right? And if it fails around that point of time, then it will hit the beach, and so it'll be just essentially non-damage to the pad, in my opinion, at the very least. I do agree with you though that if it hits the tank farm, it's gonna be a longer time to recover from the next.
We take a moment to appreciate the SPMT operator for the hot state lane. Basically, like high stepping or like running backwards there at times is really remarkable. Like, talk about multiple. I think
Does the Avalanche have a workout of like walking an SPMT